welcome to Fact Infra. So guys, from this video we will start Portswigger labs. Now we will start the practicals of sqli injection. So let's start. In this video, in this practical, we will see how we can retrieve the hidden data with, or you can say, using sqli injection. So you can see the title sqli injection vulnerability in where clause allowing retrieval of hidden data, and you can see the query. In this lab, the vulnerability in the product category filter, and you can see this query select start from products where the category equal to gifts and release equal to 1. Now let's see what is release here. Here we will talk about release. Why we are using release here? The release is acting as a restriction here. The restriction release equal to 1 is being used to hide products that are not released. Meaning we are using release equal to 1 for hiding the data, and release equal to 0 we are using for unhiding the data. Now imagine that if we remove this release from here, then we will able to see all the products. That is what we have to do here. So let's say, so guys, finally I'm accessing this lab. I just clicked on the access the lab, and you can see in this lab scenario there are many categories: accessory, clothing, shoes and accessories, corporate gifts and food and drink. You can just click on any of the category, and we know very well there is you can say the sqli injection vulnerability in the category parameter. So let me check, or you can say let me just enter on the any of the category, and you can see the URL now, food plus drink, and you can see this category parameter. Okay, so just once cross check, is there any sqli injection vulnerability or not. So just entering here the single code, and just so you can see this internal server error shows us, or saying us there is a sqli injection vulnerability. Now I'm just inputting the payload, and double dash, or you can say this is the commenting the query. And now you can see this lab is solved. So guys, we finally done this lab, and what is meaning of this query food plus drink after that single quote 1 equal to 1, or 1 equal to 1 is another true condition, as well as the commenting of the query double dash you can see. And after that, after injecting this payload, we can see all the categories and all the information. You can see all the products we can see here. So this is the main thing for this video. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned on Fact Infra, and thank you guys.